Jade Yoga Elite Premium Mat App. The pros, the cons. Most people think a yoga mat is just a flat surface, but the Jade Yoga Elite Premium Mat App takes your practice to the next level. You won't believe how guidance combined with premium equipment can enhance both comfort and performance. On the plus side, the app pairs with the Jade Yoga Elite Mat to provide curated yoga sequences from beginner flows to advanced routines. You'll find guided videos, posture corrections, and breathing exercises that help you deepen your practice while minimizing the risk of injury. The app emphasizes alignment and mindfulness, which is especially useful for people practicing at home without an instructor. The mat itself complements the app perfectly. Made from natural rubber, it provides superior grip, cushioning, and durability. This combination of guidance and high-quality material creates a safe, comfortable, and immersive yoga experience. The app also tracks your sessions, allowing you to monitor consistency and progress over time. On the downside, the app is limited to structured routines and doesn't offer as much customization as other general fitness apps. It also requires a subscription, which adds cost to the already premium mat investment. Some advanced yogas might find the content slightly basic compared to live classes or in-person instruction. In conclusion, the Jade Yoga Elite Premium Mat App is ideal for those who want guided, high-quality yoga sessions at home. Its combination of premium equipment, structured routines, and mindful instruction supports growth, consistency, and safety in your practice. While cost and customization limits exist, it's an excellent tool for anyone looking to elevate their home yoga experience.